Welcome guys to a new YouTube video. Today we are on the way to the gym, so actually excited about this workout. It's legs day. I'm gonna see, like always, I'm gonna try to see how legs, like how squats does. If I still feel the pain, I'm gonna have to not do it and do a lot of everything else instead of doing squats, because I don't want to actually bother my hips more. So we'll see how it goes. I usually just go ahead and literally do squats without weight, and even like that I feel it a lot. So we'll see. Now I just do a lot of reps of everything else in there, and every machine, and then I do some cardio. It's 7:58, very early. I actually put an alarm before 8:30 to go to the gym, and I actually woke up at 7, and then I kind of wasted some time. I could have been working out since 7:30, but here I am, 7:59, going to start working out probably around 8:10 or somewhere around there. But it is what it is. It's very early to me, and I'm gonna have time to actually do my breakfast, and then sit on the computer for some stuff that I need to do. So it's gonna be great. So I'm gonna be able to post a video. I'm gonna try to see what I can post on my LinkedIn, post on Instagram, post some TikToks, YouTube shorts, and a video YouTube too that I have ready. So yeah, I think it's gonna be great. We'll see how it goes. This workout, I'm gonna actually, at the same time that I do all that, I'm gonna edit that video that I did a video yesterday talking about something very important, which it was basically talking about that eventually your results will come. All you need to do is push yourself, but eventually, if you do the right things, if you have a plan and you stick to the plan, you will see success. You will eventually see some success in your life. And sometimes, like people like me, sometimes I do have body dysmorphia, and it's when you see your body, you think you don't have any results, but then people see you, and they actually see that you have results. People that know your body see that you have results, but then yourself, you get to the point where you think you don't have anything. And it's the same with money, it's the same with your career, it's the same with everything. It's like sometimes we think that we don't have any success or any type of progress in our lives, because we are comparing ourselves to someone else, and that someone else have more than us, and then we believe that we don't have anything because they have more than us. It doesn't work that way. So those kind of videos, I'm gonna be editing those videos, getting those ready, and send them, upload them, and then after I upload them, I'll be on my way to the office. I'm gonna have to leave the PC on to be able to do those things, but it's fine though. It's fine. Drive this time in a while going this way. I used to come to college every single day. I'm in summer break now, but I used to come every single day this way, every single day of my life. No joke, just every single day. To come to class, then meet my girl. She was in class too, and then basically just stuff. And after here, I'll be literally driving back after everything to work, to the office, to actually drive back to get my girl to go to my home, and then drop her off back again in there, and then drive again back. It was crazy, and it's probably gonna be the same now. She's actually coming back, but when you think about it, it's not gonna be the same because I'm not gonna be going to class. So I'm gonna go to the gym, which is kind of close, but you know, I'm not gonna go all the way there, and then I'm not gonna have to wait there. So, but yeah, I'm gonna have to put some miles on the car, which I was not putting almost any mile to my car, and the reason why was because my gym was like 1 mile away from me, the other one. But now this is a sacrifice, but the reason is because it's for me to be able to give the best quality to the channel. So it's worth it. The money is worth it, and the miles too. So that's a nice BMW. So early for ambulance right now. Alright. Shouldn't be nobody here. Should be nobody here actually. Or actually, I see people that are going to work out. Alright, I'll see you guys. Alright, we are out of here. There's a Supra, which is really cool Supra. Not going to lie to you. Alright. I can't wait for when I have my sports car. That's gonna be really cool when I have my sports car. I modify. It's gonna be amazing. Alright, we're done with the workout. It's 9:03. I wanna do some breakfast and get ready for. I'm actually gonna drink some creatine. I feel like I have been not drinking my creatine in a while, so I'm gonna get some creatine in the body real quick. Get some chicken, eggs, and some of the stuff for me to go start my day, sit on the computer and edit some videos, basically start to work. Then before I go to the office, I gotta do those things. Today I have my haircut. I'm doing a video, a collab with my barber. He's a content creator too, and I'm gonna see what we can do today. Damn, it's a lot of traffic here. I think the reason is because it's 9 o'clock, so I think I'm actually gonna do this, to be honest. I might actually do this, to be honest. I don't know if this is a good decision, but I think here I make it. If that guy makes it, I'm gonna be mad. Okay, he didn't make it, so now I can make it. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it was a good decision. I didn't want to have to deal with, there's a traffic on a road that I usually take to go there, but today I'm gonna actually skip that part. There's always something in there, so today I'm skipping that part and going another way from the back. So it's gonna be easier and probably gonna be there way faster than going this way, which sometimes there's some traffic here, so we'll see. Hopefully today's not the day. But there's like plenty of traffic. If this guy moves, I could go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, boy. So today I actually already did my workout. I'm today actually doing some cardio later on the night. I'm trying to do workout and cardio on the same day every day. Kind of like to lose some fat percentage and stay in shape. So let's see how it goes. Editing videos. I'm gonna put some music. I'm gonna chill for a minute, make some breakfast, eat something, and be chill for a minute before I go to the office. I got a shower, cold shower. It's hot outside, so are they building in here? What? I think they're probably gonna do some apartments here. Probably. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna actually start my day, start working on the things that I gotta do. So let me kind of do it fast because I have 2 hours to get ready and stuff. So let's get it. See you guys.